Today, I'll show you how to select multiple clips at once using the Select All Forward and Select All Backward options in Filmora. If you need to select an entire section of your timeline, you don't have to manually select each clip. There's a faster way. Simply click on the small drop-down arrow just above the timeline. Here, you'll see two options. Select All Forward. This selects all clips to the left of your current position, making it easy to make changes to these selected clips. Select All Backward. This selects all clips to the right of your current position, allowing you to make changes to these selected clips. Once selected, you can move all clips together without affecting the rest of your edit. And that's it. A quick and easy way to speed up your editing workflow in Filmora. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Filmora tips.